to another episode of Bushrats. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning now, the opening day of Marron season 2021. Loaded up the ute, meeting up with a few lads down on the river somewhere. I think we're going to try some drop nets for the night. I'm going to go do some snare missions next week down at the dam. We'll be marroning all month. But I'm heading down early, going to try and nab a spot that's pretty good on the river there. It's got a little jetty and everything, hopefully we get that one. Got a couple other spots in mind, but once we get there, let you know, show what we're setting up and get amongst it. Phew.
Just can't help myself, I'm like a dog with a bone. You know there ain't no way this could go sour, but to my surprise I realized within the first hour she ain't got no soul.
No one's here in my spot.
No tenderness. She just made on Lucifer, smiling in a Sunday dress. She gonna take your money and your dignity too. She gonna be your honey until she done with you. She smoked them out, burn them down, threw them in the cold, cold water to drown. The end is near, you better run, but that won't stop the hellfires come. She ain't got no soul, there's no tenderness. She just needs
Water's looking a little low than usual, but it's our first time marroning here. Could be on. Let's get set up. Alright, we're all set up, ready to go. It's going to be about 40 degrees today, so a bit of a scorcher, so definitely going to get some swims in, get the condor out in the water. We're all set up, we've got the barbie down here, table, swag, solar panels keeping us charged on the angle. Nets obviously ready to go, chair, supplies, cooking gear, and water, everything we need. But if anyone knows of a decent awning that doesn't cost the same price as a lift kit, let us know, because I think this fucking King's one's done its dash. Other than that, guys, you can kick back, chill out, start having a few beers, and let you know what happens. Yep. Ooh, it's had a good bite. Took me hook and everything. Pretty shit knot. Alright, so we've got the Marron nets here ready to go. We also brought a snare pole. We've got a couple of the boys coming out today, so we've got a few options. Legally, you're only allowed to use one or the other. So you're up to 6 nets, I'm pretty sure it is. If you're running the droppies, just check the waters that you're in and whether you're allowed to use droppies. Snares are allowed anywhere. But yeah, we're just going to bait these up with a few chook pellets, fill them up. A lot of people use stockings. I'm going to fill this up maybe in a sock. Forgot to bring stockings. But chook pellets into there, into the water. Hopefully we can get a few tonight. Alright, so the season kicks off at lunchtime today. Instead of stockings, I've gone with little garden pots, little crab net hooks. Fill them up with some pellets, zip it up, straight into the net. Bada bing, bada boom. Gonna bait them all up. I'm gonna get them in by lunchtime. I've never actually used these little pots before, but I do find a lot of stockings lying around the edges of the dam in the water, just left out there. So we thought we'd try these. They make a lot less mess. I'll let you know if they work. Yoo. We've got the lads rocking up in full convoy. What's going on, mate? Dale, how are we, mate? We out here, Couple troopies. A few cans in there, mate.
A couple snaggers, few dim sims.
Hungry? Just now?
Few dim sims.
You can cut.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that was a big cruiser. Oh, it's fucking fake. That's why I didn't pull up. Oh, it's just a Prado, mate.
Just had the fisheries out here checking up, but we're all licensed here. I can
all ticketed.
Get into it soon.
Now they're gone.
Dale's all licensed up. He's got a couple nets. Got a couple nets as well, mate.
2 nets, mate. 2 nets.
Let's get them out, boys.
Fucking throw them out there.
Good, well.
Put some socks in the cunt.
Yeah, get a socks out.
Fucking that's the spot, mate.
It's alright, eh?
Oh, filming you, filming me.
I feel you, watching me.
Yeah, Jolly's getting his first net out. Well tossed, mate.
That's a good toss. You been tossing long?
Not as long as you by the looks. Alright, just clicked about 2 o'clock. Fisheries have been and gone. So we've got the first nets out. But you know how we get on?
Second day.
Straight out of the river.
Yeah, funny looking marron there, bro.
This is the biggest marron I've caught in years.
Because of what happened to me in Perth.
Exactly, something wrong.
Some kind of, I walked into a barber shop, looked legit. Sat back, got my head.
Now go. Now kick the fish tank.
Kick a fish.
We haven't got Tony here, so Caleb's filling in. Nothing in that one. Oh, we got one! First one of the day! Thank fuck!
Donker.
It's fucking huge!
That is a fucking big marron, eh?
I can just get the dog out of here.
Fucking look at that.
Let go, mate, let go.
Day as well, eh?
Not even night time yet, bro. Day one, Marron opening season, getting stonkers. This bloke just flailing out there. Bro, that's nearly double size.
Fucking oath.
Yeah, bring him in, mate. Fast, yeah, you got it. Fuck all.
Well done, smokable weed. Put it in the boat.
You know that he found that like in
Really?
yeah, in like down Flora, Flora Road down there.
Ah, red can.
Yeah, good chook. Chook and a leaf.
And he was just like floating.
We'll try again soon, mate.
Give it a go.
There's no one around. This is fucking.
I bet this is.
Yeah, just as we thought. Nothing.
That's the worst part when you get back home. Yeah.
Got a sock.
Yeah, nothing.
Good sock, but
Off his feet.
decent sized sock.
Bit of weed, not the smokable type.
Nah, no good.
Not with that attitude.
What do you reckon they'll come out a bit later, eh, Flatty?
Oh. Hope so.
Hope so, yeah. Oh, cheers for coming, Flatty.
No worries,
Been a
mate.
good time,
You
mate.
go to work tomorrow.
Let you know how many of the black crabs we get, mate.
Yeah, fine.
Enjoy work.
Why would we walk when we got fucking
15 cars.
16 fucking tyres that can get us up there?
Let's take the troopy. Don't matter which one. Well, just getting on to nightfall now. Got the one big dog so far. Hope we can pick up a few more later on, but a few more beers, we get into it. Yep. Yep, just follow the track, bro. Just fucking that way, sort of. Well, the boys have sent it off to go do a little bit of afternoon four-wheel driving. I'm going to hold down the fort, and we're just waiting for that sun to fully set, and hopefully the Marron start coming out, but hopefully get a few stonkers in them nets. Let you know. Ah, what's going on, mate?
Hello, sweetheart.
New house going on.
Fucking missing in the half to get here, I'll tell ya.
Nah, we'll get you set up somewhere, eh?
God, I can't fucking see, cut.
Nothing.
Wait, how many cunts you knocked out with this thing? Wait, I don't need to fucking go to the gym in the morning.
Police batting, bro.
You need to go to that hook.
No, fuck all too. Just fucking nothing again, bro. Nothing.
Here we go, this is the one.
This is the one.
This is the one.
Fucking Dale was cooking up dim sims earlier, mate.
Oh,
Cooking the feast. We out here. What's this green shit? Just me Brussels sprouts, bro.
Where's the lube? No, what? This is lemon. What do we always go to? Where's the lube, though? I don't always go there.
in that same mould sort of shape there. Fucking roof.
You fucking dog bickies.
See you, mate.
Couple 1HZs.
We out here.
We out here.
Cheers, Grant. Been a time, mate.
Yeah, bro.
Do it again soon.
Next time.
And there we have it, guys. Another ripper camping trip over and done with. Caught up with a few new mates, a few old mates. Dale there, Grant, Cal, a few guys. Zach and them come down from Mandurah as well for the night. Not as many marron as we thought for the first opening day. Trying out a new spot on the river here. Not so successful, but we're going to be back at it either later on the week, on the weekend. Down at the dam, we're going to get the snares out, a few chook pellets on the edge. Till then, like and subscribe. Check out our merch website, bushrats.bigcartel.com. We've got new shirts, new sticker packs up there as well. But till next time, guys, take it easy. We'll see you out there on the tracks. Phew.